Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with me, Alex. Today, we're diving into the word adult. This is a great A2 level adjective and a very useful one because it helps us talk about people, animals, and even things that are fully grown or developed. So, what exactly does adult mean? When we say something is adult, we mean it has reached full growth or development. For example, a person who is no longer a child is an adult. We might talk about an adult dog or an adult tree, both of which mean they've grown to their full size. Let's look at some synonyms. Words like mature, grown up, and fully developed all have similar meanings. If we say, she is a mature artist now, it implies her work is fully developed and seasoned. Or, he behaves like a grown-up, suggesting he acts responsibly, just like an adult. Now for some antonyms, which are words with opposite meanings. Young, juvenile, and immature all contrast with adult. For example, if you say, it's a juvenile bird, you're describing a bird that isn't fully grown yet, unlike an adult bird. Or, he's a bit immature for his age, suggesting he doesn't behave like an adult. So, how do we use adult in our daily lives? Well, we often talk about things being for adults only, like certain movies or activities. You might hear someone say, this movie is for adults, meaning it's made with an older audience in mind. Or, once you're an adult, you'll have more responsibilities, which is a common thing parents say to remind us of the difference between being a child and being grown up. Let's go through a few more examples. Becoming an adult means you can vote and make important decisions for yourself. An adult lion has a full mane and is strong enough to hunt alone. And finally, an adult conversation means one that is serious and responsible. Alright, to recap, today we explored the word adult, meaning fully grown or developed. We looked at synonyms like mature and grown up, and antonyms like juvenile and immature. I hope you enjoyed learning about this word and found the examples helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. It helps others discover the show too. And before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Try creating your own sentence using adult and share it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Words. See you next time.